Okay, how to make a Hoover sound on the Modor NF-1. We start from the empty inlet patch, just a sawtooth. The Hoover uses 3 oscillators. The first oscillator is a sawtooth wave, second one a square wave, and the third one also a square wave. And then turn up all the volumes. So the oscillator 3 is tuned down by -24 semitones. So 2 octaves down. And the pulse width of oscillator 3 is set somewhere a bit over halfway, something like this more or less. Then, very important, select oscillator 1 and oscillator 2 together at the same time, because their pulse width modulation settings need to be exactly identical. So now, put oscillator 1 and 2's pulse width somewhere halfway and put some LFO modulation on it. There we go, and we need a little faster LFO. That starts to sound a bit like a Hoover, but of course we still need this very thick, typical chorus over it. So, turn up the chorus mix somewhere halfway. Personally I like it with the delay and depth settings both at maximum, and then to adjust the speed to get a thick, good sounding chorus sound. Of course, then very often a pitch envelope is applied to the sound. So first unselect all oscillators, none of the LEDs here are burning, so that the envelope control here serves as a pitch envelope. And then give the pitch envelope a good decay value and also some attack.